Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss about if conditions. If condition will give you the logical statements in Excel. If the condition is satisfied, it will give one statement. If the condition is not satisfied, it will give another statement. We have so many types of if conditions in Excel that we will discuss in series of videos. Please do watch all videos to get more knowledge on if conditions. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. In our previous video, we already discussed how if condition will work and how if and condition will work. Now we will see how if or condition will work. If the students got more than 180, then we, with the use of if formula, we segregated who passed and who failed. At the same time, if the condition, if the student has who scored more than 60 in all the subjects, then he passed or else he failed. Like how or will work, if the student he's crossed any subject 60, he passed or else he failed, is equal to if open bracket or open bracket English greater than or equal to 60, max greater than or equal to 60, science greater than or equal to 60, close bracket, pass, fail, close the bracket. If he got more than 60 marks in any subject, he passed or else he failed. See, let's see in this he not scored more than 60 in any one subject. That's why it's getting failed. Hope this video will helpful for you. We will discuss more if functions in next video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you very much.